Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And today we just have a page kit. This is from October of 2024 because I'm doing fall photos still, and I'm still feeding the goats. He took a lot of pictures. I'm going to use this Halloween collection because, hey, it's fun. And I'm going to pull in the canvas flare from Scrap and Happy Studio. I'm going to use a couple of those. And then I've got these little Doodlebug epoxy pieces to go with the Doodlebug. What is this name of this collection? Hey Pumpkin. Hi Pumpkin. Alright. So we've got all of this as well. And some see, we got scraps and we got 2 pieces of black cardstock. That would be cute if it wasn't just all white on the top. What if we it's really bold. I think we'll go for it. Oh, you know what? Why don't we just do this? Oh, that's cute. Okay, we're gonna do those two. And we'll use the black cardstock to match the photos. I think we'll just go at this size. Right, so let's just put that guy right there. Grab the old T-square ruler. And we'll just mat those up, and then we'll trim them out. And we already got our little photo block done. How fun is that? Sorry, I'm just like dorking out. Oh, did I just puncture it? Probably, but you can't tell. Well, hello. Alright, so there's our big O photo block. Let's take this guy. Okay, these branding strips, yep, we just throw them away. So now I'm gonna gut this. So I'm gonna go up to the 1 inch. Then I'm going to go to the 1 inch here, and then 11. Use the ruler on the arm. And then if you just leave that in place, it's still at the 11. You just bring it back to the 1. And you'll get a nice 1 inch border. How fun is that? Easy peasy. A lemon squeezy. Okay. You pooped that over there. Now I gotta take the branding strip off of this one. Alright. I have been getting so much done. I am feeling good. Alright, so now we're gonna take this to 3/4. Oh, have fun. We're gonna use the ghosts. We're gonna live our best life here. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one here like so. I think we're gonna put these guys maybe down there. We may go just right in the middle. I don't know. I'm kind of filling down here though. All right, so let me get that stuff done and I'll be right back. All right, so I've got, I took that, this was not a sticker, but I just cut it and used it. It worked. But I couldn't peel it off, so I had to actually cut it. Totally fine. I started a cluster here. This little guy's popped up. We started one here and on this photo because there's a lot of empty space. And now I just wanted to come in and fill in some of these little areas. So we got some dark chocolate. We'll put a little milk chocolate down there with it. Let's get the cute little pumpkins. Okay. I feel like we can kind of stick that guy right there. Oh, it's got a little bat as the little dispenser. No, that's cute. It really is the little things. Okay. A little something something. Kind of popping around. Ooh, we should definitely come in with some of these stars. Just to kind of, you know, liven it up. And so I'm going to save this because we are going to get one more layout, but we're going to come in. I'm going to use some of these guys. Let's put the little moon and these little epoxy stars over there. Put a little bat on that one. A little bat there. So we used that up. Where do we want to put? Alright, so I'm thinking super cute magic potion. Let's do. Alright, so I want more pink up there. So let's do the little ghosty up there. They've got just little foam on them, so we're just going to go ahead and stick that guy up there. And we'll take this one. Let's do spooky vibes down there. And let's do a little trick or treat right there. So that's fun. Use 3. Sometimes I just use 1, you guys. It's kind of All depends. Now we want to get these little super cute candy corns. And stick that one there. That guy will go there. So I'm really excited to be using, like, all of this stuff made its way into my craft room in October, and I'm using it. I didn't use it right away, but I had to wait for the pictures too, right? So let's do something fun. We're gonna give this pumpkin, actually, oh, come on. Okay. My whole life is falling apart right here. Okay. That'll probably not even stick now. Alright, let's do that. And we'll have him looking that way. And then let's have this guy doing the same thing. What? I know. Alright. And I brought these in, but I don't think I want to add them because I had all the little stars. So actually, that's going to do it for today's layout, you guys. So super quick, super fun, super cute. And loving using these Halloween things. Possibly could come in with some orange splatters, I think. Orange and pink. Let's do that. I feel like there's some orange over here. Yeah. So we're going to use Heidi Swapp Color Shine in mustard, kind of yellow, kind of orange. And I'm going to use pink, so you will see that in the video, but I will do that and take a picture, and I will see you later. Bye.